Embrace the wild, building your sanctuary. Imagine stepping into a world where the only sounds are the rustling leaves and the calls of distant birds. This is where you will create your haven. Out in the wild, survival is key. Every decision you make can mean the difference between thriving and merely surviving. The forest is both your challenge and your ally. We must use what nature gives us. From the sturdy bamboo to the resilient wood, every element around you is a potential tool or building material. Building a shelter is top priority. It's not just about protection from the elements, but creating a space where you can feel secure and at peace. Forget fancy tools and modern methods. Here, simplicity reigns supreme. Your hands, combined with basic tools, will craft your sanctuary. We're going back to basics. Traditional methods passed down through generations will guide you in constructing a reliable and sturdy shelter. Wood and bamboo, gifts from the wilderness, will be our strength. These materials are not just resources. They are the backbone of your new home. This is about connecting with nature and surviving using ancient wisdom. It's a journey of rediscovery, learning to live in harmony with the environment. Imagine finding yourself amidst towering trees and whispering bamboo. The forest speaks, and if you listen, it will guide you. This is where your survival journey begins. Each step you take is a step towards self-reliance and understanding the true essence of nature. We will use their strength to create a safe haven, a place where you can rest, rejuvenate, and prepare for the challenges ahead. This is more than just building a shelter. It's about understanding nature's gifts. It's about appreciating the resources around you and using them wisely to create a sanctuary that is both functional and harmonious with the environment. Gathering your resources, the bounty of nature. The wilderness offers an abundance of materials if you know where to look and how to use them. From the towering trees to the smallest plants, every element has a purpose and can be utilized for survival. First, we need strong wood for the main structure. The trees in the forest are not just beautiful, they are essential for building a sturdy shelter. Choose trees that are straight and robust, as they will form the backbone of your construction. Look for straight, sturdy trees. These will provide the necessary support and stability for your shelter. The straighter the tree, the easier it will be to work with, and the stronger your structure will be. Bamboo, with its flexibility and strength, is perfect for walls and supports. We'll need basic tools, a sharp axe, a sturdy machete, and some rope. Bamboo is not only strong but also lightweight, making it an ideal material for quick and efficient construction. These tools will be your lifeline in the wild. A sharp axe can cut through the toughest wood, a machete can clear paths and shape materials, and rope can bind everything together securely. Remember, we're using what nature provides. Every resource we gather is a gift from the environment, and we must use them wisely and sustainably. Foraging for materials is not just about survival, it's about respecting and understanding the natural world. Forage for natural fibers to make rope. These fibers can be found in various plants and trees, and with some skill, they can be woven into strong, durable rope. This rope will be crucial for tying and securing different parts of your shelter. Sharpen stones to create cutting tools. Stone tools have been used by humans for thousands of years and are still incredibly effective. A well-sharpened stone can be used for cutting, carving, and even hunting. Improvisation is key to survival. The ability to adapt and use the resources around you creatively can make all the difference. Whether it's finding new uses for materials or inventing new tools, thinking outside the box is essential in the wild. A framework of strength erecting your wooden haven. This journey begins with a vision of a sturdy natural retreat, blending seamlessly with the environment. Start by creating a strong foundation using thick wooden logs. These logs will serve as the bedrock of your structure, ensuring it stands firm against the elements. Drive them deep into the ground for stability. This step is crucial as it anchors your haven, providing the necessary support for the entire build. Next, use sturdy branches to create a framework for the walls and roof. These branches will interlock, forming a resilient skeleton that can withstand various weather conditions. This is the skeleton of your house. It's the essential structure that will support all other elements, giving shape and form to your vision. Now weave bamboo stalks horizontally between the wooden frame. This technique not only adds strength but also enhances the aesthetic appeal of your walls. This creates strong, weather-resistant walls. Bamboo is an excellent material for this purpose, offering both durability and a natural look. For the roof, layer branches or bamboo, ensuring it slopes for rain runoff. A well-constructed roof is vital for protecting the interior from the elements. Remember, simplicity and strength are key. By focusing on these principles, you can create a wooden haven that is both beautiful and enduring, a true sanctuary in nature. Section 4, A Touch of Luxury, Crafting a Wooden Bathtub. Survival isn't just about staying alive, it's about thriving. A wooden bathtub carved from a large log can provide warmth and hygiene. Find a thick, straight log, use your axe and machete to hollow out the center, creating a basin. Smooth the inside with smaller tools and sand. Line the bottom with layers of leaves for insulation. Now you have a place to wash off the day's adventures. Section 5, The Beauty of Natural Living, Embracing Sustainability. We've built a house with minimal impact on nature. Wood and bamboo are renewable resources. They decompose easily, leaving a small footprint. This is sustainable living at its finest. Living in this house connects us to nature. It teaches us resilience and resourcefulness. This is more than a shelter. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our connection to the natural world.